Hello my gorgeous plant people, welcome back to Reading Mindfully. My name is Ayana and today I am doing a review on my Soltech Solutions Aspect light. So let's get into it. Hey guys, like I said, so today I'm doing a review on my Soltech Aspect light. It has been about 6 months since I received my Aspect light, and so I just want to do a review on the light and just talk about what I like about the light, what kind of plants I have been growing under the light, and if I recommend it. And so if you see there, I do have this Soltech white large aspect light, and so this is a 40-watt light bulb or fixture. It is on the warmer side at 3000 lumens, and so I found that with throughout my plant journey, I do like more warm light rather than like say purple or blue. I remember when I started my plant journey, I started off with the typical purple light bulbs, and you know, while those lights work, they're not the most aesthetically pleasing lights. You know, I did have neighbors that just would be like, well, what's going on in there, and things like that. And just it like to sleep with purple lights, it wasn't something that I was interested in. I did move into more daylight light bulbs, such as using like Sandy light bulbs, which I also use. But I just come to realize that I do like the warmer lights. And so that's one thing that I really do like about the Soltech lights, is that warm glow that you get with your lights. It is like being outside with the sun, and it just looks a lot better with your plants, I feel. And then another thing that I like with the Soltech light is how adjustable it is. So if you watch my installation video, I can link it up in the cards as well. The Soltech light can be moved up and down depending on what kind of lighting that you need with your plants, whether it's low light, moderate light, or high light. It is very versatile. That's something that I can appreciate a lot, because I do have the Sandy light bulbs, like I said, in my my globe fixtures, my floor lamps, and with my rubber trees, they are hitting the top of the grow light, and so there's nothing that I can do to adjust it because it's just a fixed lamp. And so to have something that is adjustable, that I can move as the plants grow, is just very fantastic. So that is like one key thing that I like, is how adjustable it is, especially if I would have like prayer plants on the bottom, they would still get a lot of light. In fact, my prayer plants bloomed profusely under the Soltech light, and so all of my plants were able to get light even with it being that high off the ground. Another thing that I like about the Soltech light is that everything you need is included in the box, whether it is the screws, the timer, which I also like, because a lot of lights don't come with timers. That is something that you would have to buy separately. I love having timers for my lights, especially when I'm going away, or if I'm just not going to be home, or if I'm working. That way I can make sure that the plant gets the light that it needs, and I don't have to worry about that. It's one less thing I have to worry about. I love trying to automate as many things as I can for my plant collection. But yeah, everything that you need comes within this box. And then within this box, it also includes a very detailed guide. Like I said, that guide includes the plants that you can grow under these lights. It tells you how far you need to place the light from the plant to get the optimal amount of growth. And I just find that to be very helpful, especially for someone who may be newer to plants, or someone who may be newer to the certain plant that they're gonna put under the light. And so Soltech was so nice to send me the black light, so I will be switching out the white for the black. But yeah, I'm very excited about that. Like I said, I did do an installation video. Installation takes about 15 or so minutes. It's very quick and easy. You just have to put in about like 3 different points, and then your light is ready to go. But yeah, my plants have been doing so well under these lights. My Thai constellation, if you watch my houseplant tour, has put out a new beautiful leaf with the most gorgeous fenestrations. And if you guys know anything about Thai constellations, they do grow a little bit slower. So anything that helps out my Thai constellation grow is something that's great in my book. But yeah, I just love it. So yeah, basically I love the Soltech light. I love it so much that I actually have 2 of these, and I do have one that I put over my monsteras and my philodendrons, and then the other one I will be moving to help out my ferns and my prayer plants. And like I said, my prayer plants have been blooming and just filling out so nicely under the Soltech light, so I do appreciate them very much. But yeah, if you guys are interested in buying any Soltech products, I can put my code up on the screen, so that way you guys can save 15% off on any Soltech products that you're interested in. But yeah, please comment down below if you guys are interested in buying Soltech products, or if you have any Soltech lights, how it's working out for you. I'm curious to know, as always. But as always, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.